Starting today, your ATM card may not work. If you're a First Bank customer anyway, that's because skimmers were found on several ATMs around the state. 7 News reporter Amanda Zitzman working on this story. Amanda, customers were warned earlier this month about this potential.
They were, and Mitch, this King Soopers here on 9th Avenue in Denver is one of 3 that were targeted in both Denver and Boulder. First Bank says it found 3 skimmers on 3 different ATMs inside. So when customers walked up and swiped their cards, the skimmer read the magnetic strip and then a camera recorded them punching in their PIN. The problem, the technology has gotten so good, it's hard to tell when there's a skimmer on there. The plastic part where you put your card looks like the real deal. So experts say to cover your hand while you type in your PIN. In Denver, gas stations are known targets, so maybe use a credit card instead because debit card users are the most at risk. So here are the 3 King Soopers impacted. The First Bank ATM inside the one here on 9th Avenue in Denver, also on South University in Englewood, and the King Soopers on 30th Street in Boulder. But they don't know how many people were affected because they simply don't know how long the skimmers were on there. If your card was used, First Bank should have sent you a new one. Your old card will stop working starting today. Live in Denver, Amanda Zitzman, 7 News Now.